Okay, guys, we are gonna unbox who? We're gonna unbox Ned. Ned is a which dinosaur? Is it Brachiosaurus?
No, that's Ned.
Yeah, Ned, that's Brachiosaurus. Hi, everybody. So we have Boris here. We have Mr. Conductor. We have Tank, Tiny, Buddy, and Alvin behind there. And now we're gonna open Ned. Okay. There you go. Hold on. Oh, look at the manuals there, Brooks.
This Ned.
There's the manual.
That's Ned.
There's the instruction manual. Brooks, you have it. And Ate is trying to get Ned out of the box. There you go. Brooks, look. There's Ned now out of the box. Okay, I think Ned have 50 dinosaur sounds and phrases. 50.
And that one.
Yeah, show me Ned. What does he do? Oh, Ned, your neck is super long.
Look, they're eating.
He's eating. What does he eat? You see the instruction manual? Open it. Ned the Brachiosaurus. Is he a Brachiosaurus, Brooks? Hey. Hey. Hey, Ned. So, show mommy. Oh my god, that's a lot of collection we need to do. That's a lot. So at the moment, who we have here?
Look, there's Alvin.
Alvin, we have Alvin there behind you.
Like this one, Alvin.
Yeah. Who else do you have? So we have Buddy. We have Alvin. We have Tiny. We have Tank. We have Boris, Ned, and Mr. Conductor.
No, there's no committed.
Can you see Mr. Conductor in the thing there, on the paper you're looking at? That's a lot there, Brooks. They're all different. Yeah, Mr. Conductor is there. What do you press? Is there any button you have to press? What happened to his legs? You have to press that button.
Mr. Dinosaur.
Hi, I'm Ned.
Mr.
Hi.
Dinosaur. Mr. Dinosaur. Oh, maybe.
Hi, everybody.
Look, everybody's talking to Ned now.
No, that's Ned.
Where?
Here.
Yeah, but that's the blue Ned.
Nah, that's the blue Ned.
That's the blue one, yeah. It's a different Ned. I wonder if his name is Ned as well. Can I have a look?
Look, we have Alvin.
Yeah.
Mr. the Doctor.
Mm-hmm.
And
Tiny.
then
Tank.
And with Boris.
We have Boris. Boris is not there. That's Buddy, Ate.
That's Buddy and that's Tiny and Ned. It was Boris.
Yeah, that's Boris.